Welcome to your third video in Android development course, and on this video you will learn how to program an Android app to display Hello World. And we only need text view to run this app. On Android Studio, start a new Android Studio project and we will name it app. After that, select phone and tablet, and we will start with empty activity. And in order to run this app, just go to press and choose layout and choose activity. After that, choose text view and grab it here. And you can write the text here and print Hello World. And we run this app by click this button, and we choose any virtual device, and if you don't have anyone you can create new one